Alright guys, today we bring you a 2000 Ford Focus SE. One of our friends actually owned this car and he just didn't want it anymore, and he asked us if we would come take it. We were happy to do so. It's a little rough, not too bad. A little bit of clear coat peel on the hood. We may fix that, not sure yet. Pop the hood.
This one's got the Hemi, right?
Oh, you know it. No.
Dang.
But in all seriousness, this is the better engine to have on these Focuses. It's the 2-liter double overhead cam Zetec motor. The base models come with a split port motor that drop valve seats and will wreck the whole engine. So this is actually the better of the two to have. It did not come with the Optima battery.
No, that's just ours. Those are the batteries that you buy when you work on junk. That's what make junk run.
That side's
I think the other side's open. Oh, here comes the police. There you go.
But yeah.
We had to go back like 1.5 miles on some dirt driveway to get this car, so that explains why there's all this dirt in the door jambs and inside the car. So it needs a healthy cleaning.
It's got all the power options, power windows, power locks.
Yeah.
Oh, it's locked back here.
Check it out.
Yeah,
It's your basic car.
it needs a good cleaning.
We'll shine her up, make her right. Oh, it is inspected. Remember?
Yep.
Yeah. So that's nice.
But yeah, so this thing doesn't have brakes. That's the biggest issue with this car.
But it does run. We did drive it.
It runs a little rough. It probably has some bad gas. It's been sitting for a while. It might need a new set of plugs. But the biggest issue is the brakes. We were told it needed a brake booster, but
We discovered there's almost next to no fluid in this reservoir.
yeah, and the brake pedal isn't hard at all, so I'm assuming it either leaked out from a blown line or the master's bad.
Either or.
Yeah,
I'm putting money on the
That's-
broken line because we're in Pennsylvania.
that's going to take some more investigation. We do have the alloy wheel for it.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
Oh, where is that?
it's somewhere.
Oh, it's in the shed.
Well-
Oh my God, we're missing a lug nut.
Did not notice that, but
Not
alright.
for highway use, apparently. Yeah, we just got done running 10-second quarter miles in this thing, so. Whew, that was
Yeah.
a close one.
So we're gonna put that wheel back on. It only needed a plug in it. That's all that needed. But yeah, so what we're gonna do with this one is clean it up, get it running right. That's about the extent of what we're gonna do to this. No modifications or anything like that.
Yeah. Clean it up, make it right.
It'll be a decent car for someone.
Our goal with this one is just to clean it up and make it running and driving, and maybe put a fresh inspection on it just to make sure it's roadworthy.
We got another one.